Here's a simple tip to assist you when loading the half blade into a hinged Shavette style razor. Open the hinge, separate the two arms, retrieve your half blade. When you drop the blade into position and then go to close the arm, sometimes the blade falls out. Simple solution: a couple drops of water on the blade holder arm. Then drop the blade in place. Now it holds securely so that you can close the arm. Make sure that the two pins are protruding through the holes. Close the hinge. You're ready to rock and roll with your shave.